Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a Tinder age ban on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, check your date of birth. Tinder requires users to be at least 18 years old. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, then go to the settings and make sure your date of birth is correct. If your age is below 18, you can't use Tinder legally. You will need to wait until you meet the age requirement. Don't try to lie about your age. You can get your account permanently banned. If your age is correct but you are still restricted, log out and reinstall Tinder. Delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store and log in again. Just refresh your account information. Check the Apple ID or Facebook account linked to the Tinder. Make sure the date of birth there is correct because Tinder Plus is info from these accounts. Updating them can fix the issue. Finally, contact Tinder support if the problem continues. Go to the Tinder Help Center, select account access and explain that your age is correct but you are still banned. They can help unlock your account, and that's it. With this following step, you can easily fix Tinder age ban problem from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.